Assalamualaikum and good day. Today, I will present to you the culture of Industry 4.0 that has been implemented by a well-known company in automotive industry, BMW. So today, we will together go through 4 main sections, which is a little bit background about BMW. Then we will see about the BMW iFactory and then some of the pillars. And lastly, the benefit that company received from the implementation of IR 4.0. BMW, the acronym of Bayerische Motorenwerke, which also translated to Bavarian Motorwerk. BMW is a German multinational manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles where it is founded and headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. The special fascinations of BMW Group not only lies in its product and technology, but also in its company's history, written by inventors, pioneers, and brilliant designers. So today, with more than 30 productions and assembly facilities in 15 countries and has a global sales network in more than 140 countries, in the world leading manufacturing of premium automobiles and motorcycles and provider of premium financial and mobility services. In 2022, BMW recorded have produced and sold 2.39 million of passenger vehicles and 169,000 of motorcycles. With such a big scale of production, they cannot stay with the traditional production system, but BMW should be the one who must stepping up their game. With the name of BMW, precision during production is a must to achieve customer expectation. With that, the BMW Group presents the BMW iFactory, its revolutionary strategy for automotive productions of the future. In implementing the BMW iFactory worldwide, the BMW Group is not only redefining the future orientations of its plant, it is also setting a new standard in climate protection and competitiveness with flexible, efficient, sustainable, and digital manufacturing technologies. Lean, green, and digital. These are the pillars of BMW iFactory. Lean is stand for efficient and highly flexible production, which will make processes more capable of integrations and variables. Green, they are relying on state-of-art technology that are resources optimized and circular. They are systematically using green energy at every location. The BMW iFactory is digital, by using data science and artificial intelligence to become even more faster, accurate, and even more transparent. So in general, Industry 4.0 refers to smart and connected production systems that are designed to sense, predict, and interact with physical world so as to make decisions that are supported production in real time. 11 pillars has been introduced to guide manufacturers in transforming towards IR 4.0. And these are the sums of pillars that BMW has implemented. First is big data analytics, and then is artificial intelligence. Next is augmented reality, then clearly autonomous robot, and lastly additive manufacturing. The BMW Group call it a smart data analytic, which include application used to capture and evaluate data and improve processes. For example, they enables a 3D image of production plan to be generated with millimeter accuracy. This 3D can be also used in modification and calculation at the factory. So besides that, innovative nut setter also been utilized by BMW production team. The algorithm analyze thousands of bolts, connection in vehicles, assemble and provide important input for more reliable identification of error before they occur. A green light means everything is okay. Second pillar is the key technology of the 21st century and offer a great opportunity for technology, society, and the modern working world. Artificial intelligence are closely related with the first pillars explained before, which deal with data analytical and machine learning across the board. So they apply AI to check mode inscriptions against order data during the final inspection. For instance, AI alert the employee if any inscription is not correct. Besides that, AI are utilized to optimize robotic and material flow as well as take simulation in planning process to a new level. Moving on with augmented reality, AR. The BMW Group has optimized the usage of AR and VR. It is used to simulate an interactive 3D environment in real time. The international team at BMW Group Virtual Reality Lab create visual space and scenario that can be used to optimize processes and safety, for example, the logistics sector. In detail, augmented reality enables a new vehicle to integrate into existing production line. One example being all the new electric BMW iX1. Innovative automations mean using intelligent solutions to relieve employees and complementing human flexibility and sensitivity with the strength of robot. In simple explanation, BMW is using robot to inspect, process, and mark paint vehicle surfaces. For example, BMW Group has developed a culture of collaborating with lightweight robot where the robot work directly alongside employees, where they perform strenuous and high-precision tasks. Besides that, employees are using robot exoskeleton. It's like a second skeleton serve as external support structure for the body and strengthen the employee leg, arm, and back. In logistic area, BMW Group is developing a groundbreaking system in the area of smart logistics. Smart data technology provide a real-time information on the entire supply chains. This ensures that delivery of supplies to plan can be adjusted quickly and flexible in response to changing conditions. So they are now using the smart transport robot to transport components weighed up to half of tons independently from A to B. Once wireless transmitters have determined their locations, they can calculate the best route to destinations for themselves. Powered by recycled BMW i3 batteries, they can drive for 8 hours. For the last pillar is additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is not something new to BMW Group. They has used this process in prototyping since 1990 and has continued to develop this technology ever since, also known as 3D printing. So BMW has used this technology in standard production since 2010. They have successful to additively manufacture water pump wheels still fitted in its DTM vehicles to this day. In 2012, they have additively manufactured plastic part for Rolls-Royce motor car and metal and plastic component for BMW i8 Roadster. Digitalization production opens up a new opportunity for the entire BMW Group production system. It has enabling fulfillment of individual customer wishes and enhancing the flexibility and quality of production processes. So digitalization and innovative technologies are impacting the entire BMW Group production value chains, from press shop to body shop to paint shop, from assembly to logistic. Every stage of production benefits from the use of digital processes. In detail, big data analytics has maximum data transparency, which make highly effective digital process design possible. With the aid of AR, immediate apparent where action is still needed in the production chain in reality. This saves significant time and effort. Significantly, AI ensures product quality and reduces the employee's workload and enables components to be replaced in a good time and only those that are actually worn out. With all these pillar implementations, BMW has shortened production time. With the tools, less production holds great potential for more economically and flexible production. This brings me to the end of my presentation. To summarize what I talked about, all the 11 pillars should be our target to achieve Industry 4.0. BMW is one of the multinational companies that has proved to us that Industry 4.0 is reachable. These are all the sources of all the information presented. With that, I'm Iffah from 8E12. Appreciate for lending your time for listening till the end. Thank you.